In this video, I am ditching my iPhone and living with an Apple Watch for the next 24 hours. And can I actually live with only an Apple Watch? Overall, I don't think you can swiping on Apple Watch. Awesome. Do you guys take Apple Pay?
A chip in the apple?
I'm a CIA agent. I'm just using my Apple Watch, the Peloton to ride my calories tracked. The first thing I do is check the time, wake up at 9 a.m. every day, and then the weather. It's like here in New York, it's gonna be a nice, warm 45 degrees, no rain, which seems nice. Check my calendar for today, and it looks like we need to go get some coffee because I'm about to fall asleep. But first, I need to do a mindfulness practice because meditating is supposedly good for you. So I'm gonna do breathe for 1 minute, guided breathing exercise, and now I'll be still. Mind is full of ness. 75 beats per minute because I'm so excited. Always start with something simple. Don't make it too difficult, right? 1 minute's enough. Let's get going. Intercom, Brian, it's time to go. Brian, it's time to go.
All right, let's go.
Good morning, New York! We are now on our way to grab coffee. Siri, navigate me to Partners Coffee. Coffee. I gotta say coffee like Brett Conte in New York. Coffee. The best part is I already actually planned out the day and I put everything I needed in my calendar. And we have our Partners Coffee right here. So let's figure out how we're gonna get there using Apple Maps. That's definitely not where we wanna go. So a little buggy. Oh yeah, Zara, that makes no sense. Okay, suggestions. Partners Coffee, there it is. We are not going to bike, we're actually going to take transit. So it looks like it's a 10-minute walk to the AC or E and then a 6-minute walk from there. Train departs in 2 minutes. So now it's gonna say walk to 42nd Street. I can also turn on the map view, which is really neat. And I have a full-on compass and I can see where I need to walk to. I prefer this view. And let's go get some coffee.
Meet me out in Uptown City where the stroke said you wanna go downtown, she blushing on the low. Don't care where we end up, tell me where to go.
So what's really nice about the subway is that they take Apple Pay. Done. Later, Brian. You didn't bring your Apple? Bro! Downtown in Brooklyn. Apple Maps is telling me right now, exit train at West 4th Washington Square. So it's right there on my watch, 3 of 5 steps. If I want to go back, I can see board the AC or E train. That's how I knew which train to board. And then once I exit, I'm gonna walk to the destination about 0.2 miles. Now that I'm bored, I want to entertain myself. Just to prove it to you guys, I am on cellular right there. You can see full bars, 93%. But I would go to music. Let's see, Daily Lift looks like a decent playlist. I want my AirPods, so I'm gonna tap them. We've got my AirPods right here. I can change the songs. I can change my volume. Here, play some Taylor Swift. All right, now that we have gotten out of the train, the next step is to walk to our destination. Navigate to Partners Coffee by walking. So what seems really frustrating right now is the Apple Watch is just not getting any cellular data. We are not able to get any directions. I'm just waiting for it to load and it just says loading. It looks like it loaded up finally. Maybe we changed cell towers, so I'm gonna tap walking and then it's about 7 minutes, 0.3 miles. As we make a left or a right and we're changing, the watch will vibrate to let me know where I need to go. Cold brew, please. All black, just like my soul.
Okie dokie. That's gonna be $10.51.
Do you guys take Apple Pay? No?
Did that work?
It did, I think, right?
Did you put a card, a chip in the apple?
It's Apple Pay.
For the joke? Here you go with your watch. Got it.
Well, cheers, Brian, to caffeine addictions. What?
An Apple Pay.
There's a couple cool things I can do with my watch. Hey Siri, set a reminder to ride my Peloton at 6 p.m. today. Now it's gonna remind me when I get home to ride the Peloton at 6 p.m. Another thing I wanna do is maybe jot down a voice memo. I can tap record and now my watch has become essentially a recording device. It's like a secret microphone. I'm a CIA agent. What's up, my name is James Bond. But I have this video idea where I'm gonna survive 24 hours with the iPad mini only. It's essentially an iPhone 13 with USB-C and it's cheaper. So if you wanna watch that video, it'll be linked down below. But that's how I can record voice memos, jot notes, and be able to listen to it on my phone, computer, whatever device it is, because it syncs to iCloud. What's what's really cool is I actually have a video right here Brian sent to me. I can watch iMessage videos on my Apple Watch if I need. So photos as well, you can see them here, right? There's a dope photo right here. And sometimes if I want to look at a link, it even opens it up in the web browser. This is twitter.com. It's opening up a website and I can actually view a website and a video within that website if I really want to. Oh, it cannot be played, but I can load the website, I can see the tweet. And maybe I want to reply to this group chat. I can come down here and I can say thanks. Or if I want to send my own message, I can send my location and it sends where we're at. I can even go ahead and type. I'm typing on my Apple. I can even swipe, so watch. Hello, world. This is me swiping on Apple Watch. Send. And that's it. Boom. I would actually want to text or call somebody. So let's say like JC, I go down to details and then I want to contact. And as you can see, there's 3 cellular dots for this connection that I have. And now it's calling JC upside down on Instagram. Oh, and she answered. Hello, how's it going?
What's up?
How's the audio? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Is there a lot of background noise from the street?
Not really.
And wait, I'm gonna switch to my AirPods. Let's see if anything changes. So what I can do now is switch to AirPods by just putting them on. Can you hear me now? Does the audio quality change or does it sound the same? All right. If you really want to take phone calls, you can just put your AirPods in and put your watch and make a call and you look normal. So you're not like this weirdo walking on the street talking like this. I am a weirdo.
Gotta get on that horse. The one you fell off, we all been there before. Dust yourself off and get up till you soar. Don't worry if you go too high.
Good, how about you? Do you guys have cookie shots right now? Can we get 2 of those and 2 cronuts?
Only 2 for the both of you, sure?
2 cookie shots. All right, boss. Do you guys take Apple Pay? Okay, here you go. It looked like it worked. That's nice. Typically you'll go to the office or something and you can use your laptop to do everything else that you might do on your iPhone. So right now I'm about to go jump on a Zoom call and I can do all the things that I need to do on an iPhone on my computer and I can continue to go about my day without having a distracting iPhone with me all the time. One of the downsides to WeWork though is you still have to carry a card. So I still technically need my wallet to get in here. I'm adding in calendar events for the rest of the day so that when it's time to get out of here, everything's on my watch and I can easily get directions to be able to go to the next location that we're going to. So having like a laptop and Apple Watch combo is semi-necessary and it minimizes my need to toilet scroll. Toilet scroll? You know, like exactly what Brian's doing right now. Scroll, right?
When you're right, you're right.
It's like when you're super bored, you're on the toilet, you're sitting somewhere and you're just scrolling. I'm trying to minimize that by using only an Apple Watch. It's 12:52 p.m. around a little afternoon. If you look at my battery's watch, it's at 38% right now, so it is dying relatively quickly. More than likely, I will need to charge my watch again just because the battery on cellular dies much faster. Navigate to Zara. Walking directions, turn on the map. I wish Apple would default to the map. Since clothes are such a basic necessity of life and I love shopping, absolutely love shopping, we're here to test to see if the Apple Watch can work at a store. Oh, is this it? Is the exact one?
Extra large.
Extra large? Ideally, I want to send a photo of myself wearing this to a friend to get their second opinion, but I don't have a camera because no phone, so that's one of the biggest issues. Luckily, this looks good enough where I don't need a camera, right? This right here, I think is a fire outfit, especially with these boots on, baby.
Nice.
Let's go. What's happening to me? I'm turning full on New York. How's it going?
Do you need a bag today?
I don't think so.
Okay. $99.99.
Awesome. Do you guys take Apple Pay? Here you go. It said approved. Oh, sick. Literally, everywhere you go takes Apple Pay. You can use it at a coffee shop. You can buy clothes with it. Like, it's prolific. It's everywhere. But if you need cash, I put my debit card on my Apple Watch. So now I just take my watch, awkwardly put it on there, and it loads, and now watch this. I can just enter in my PIN, and I just tap in, let's say 40 bucks. Oh, I can pick my bills. That's fancy. Boom. And now I've withdrawn cash with just my Apple Watch. Navigate to Prince Street Pizza. 0.2 miles away, walking, 7 minutes. This way we go. So it's currently 2:04 p.m. and we're already at 10% battery, so we better hurry up with our day. Watch out, biker. you take Apple Pay? Here you go. No?
That's a good one.
Well, it didn't work. Yes. Thank you. Oh, baby. All right, so we are currently at a pizza shop right now. And as you can tell, this has a noise detection right here and it tells me it's really loud. Sorry. It's not too loud, but it says it's like kind of loud. But this is really good for fitness classes and concerts to tell you if you're damaging your ears or not. So that's another reason I love the Apple Watch. It's 5%, we're on cellular, the battery's dying, that's why the bolt is red. It's 2:42 p.m. now. That means we spent about almost 6 hours using the Apple Watch. We were able to get about 95% of the battery used. So it looks like the watch still has that mode where it'll tell me the time, but nothing else. It won't track my steps. Nah, it's gonna kill me. I need to know my steps. It's just exploring around town, navigating, calling, texting people. And now what I need to do is let it juice up so we can continue our day. So we've had a long work day and we've gotten home, and the first thing I wanna do is maybe throw up something on the Apple TV. I'm going to open up the Apple TV remote app. I can go ahead and hit the home button, hit back, you know, and it's gonna bring me to YouTube automatically because that's all I watch. Oh, and look at that, David Dobrik posted a new video just in time. Typically on the Apple remote, you can press and hold the TV button and I can sleep all my connected devices like so. I just got my reminder to ride my Peloton. We are here. This session is actually starting. There's a live leaderboard, join session. So I actually need to sync my Apple Watch. So I just need to tap my watch here.
This is the one for
Boom.
me.
It says connect question mark. I hit OK. And now it's actually started a workout and it's gonna display my heart rate on the Peloton device. I'm gonna get on. Now I'm just using my Apple Watch, the Peloton to ride. My calories tracked. The distance that I go is actually being sent from the Peloton to my Apple Watch via Bluetooth. And then my heart rate is being sent from my watch to the Peloton, as you can see right here on the screen. My heart rate directly from my watch is showing up on the Peloton over there. And I'm gonna get my workout in now, a nice evening workout before we go to dinner. Not only can I start workouts with gym kit, but I can start general, like regular workouts on the watch. There's an actual fitness tracking portion, and I can select different kinds of workouts. Strength training, cardio, running, other, just playing with friends. Like that can all be tracked on my watch, and it can fulfill my rings, and then I can even compete. So if you look at this, right here, I can compete with my friends. Right there, you see all my friends. Ramon is #1. All these people I'm competing with on a daily basis to see who can complete their activities, get their stand circle. I'm already out of breath, it's only like 3 minutes in. Well, I'm gonna get my workout in, and we bought clothes, we got coffee, and cash for the strippers tonight. What? Yeah. Cash for the dinner, bro. Who's writing the script for this show, dude?
Who changed the teleprompter?
Navigate to Pew Pew, 0.3 miles. Bon appetit. Time to eat, baby. Let's go. It is now bedtime, so I'm gonna go to bed. And typically, I actually do sleep with my Apple Watch on. Tracks my resting heart rate, blood oxygen levels when I'm sleeping, just in case, you know, the illness is going around. I can detect it with my Apple Watch. At the same time, I wear my Oura Ring, my Whoop strap, my Bio strap. And those things actually do require my phone, so I will use that in the morning to check the stats on there. Overall, I don't think you can live with just an Apple Watch because you will need either an iPad or an iPhone just to be able to manage the other little things that you have. Being able to take photos, right? I could be wearing the Ray-Ban glasses for photos and videos, but the quality is just not as good. I think honestly the best case where you could actually go with just the Apple Watch and not an iPhone is probably for like maximum 4 hours per day. You're running errands, maybe you're going for a run, but anything past like 6 hours a day, the battery life won't last. So make sure to go watch my Apple Watch versus Whoop strap video, link down below. Brian, do you take Apple Pay? An apple a day keeps the doctor away.